The first one is from Juhi. Come on. Juhi ji ne kaha hai. Juhi ji, turning 18 will transition you into a crazy world filled with many surprises and obstacles. Enjoy adulthood. Remember, your parents will always be there for you. Happy birthday, Avika. Love you a lot. Juhi.
Love you, Joey.
Happy birthday, Avika. God, love you lots. Devika.
There we go.
On this special day, I wish you all the very best and all the joy you can ever have, and may you have a blessed, abundantly today, tomorrow, and the days to come. May you have a fantastic birthday and many more to come. Happy birthday, Avika. Hope you have a blast. Keep smiling. Shakti Devi.
Shakti Devi, I'm already having a blast right now.
You sent her a big blast of chocolate, so she's still having it. Alright, this comes from Samya Begum. Okay. Hi Avika, I would like to say happy 18th birthday. I wish you all the best. You're my idol. I look up to you for inspiration. Dude, you have a responsibility. I never miss an episode of Sasural Se Marka, and I'm a big roasted fan. Can you...
जब भी आता वैसे कर लेने का.
Okay. Okay, can you please do a festival or a live show in England, in Oldham?
Let's go.
Let's go. Please.
चलिए आते हैं आपके घर पे रहेंगे हम.
Who is this?
Samya Begum, we are coming.
Please and thank you. I would definitely attend.
घर पे रहने आ जाएंगे हम.
You have to attend like in a big, big way. She eats a lot. So do I. So do I. So do I. I am including myself. Your biggest fan, Soumya Begum from England. Samya Begum. Okay. This is from Bildana. We know you.
We know you very
We love your videos.
We love you.
You want to say something original? Okay. Birthdays are a new start, a fresh beginning, and a time to pursue new endeavors with new goals. New endeavors.
I was about to say something.
The first car she ever drove in her life is...
Endeavor.
Aha. Move forward with confidence and courage. Oh, she did. Trust me, for the people on the road, it was again confidence and courage to build. You're a very special person. May today and all of your days be amazing. My birthday wishes are for you is that you continue to live, love life, and never stop dreaming. May beauty and happiness surround you, not only on your special day but always. Happy birthday, baby doll, Vildana Bosnia.
So baby.
Very sweet, Vildana. Thank you so much.
Sweet Vildana. Love you.
Okay. Wishing you all the great things in life. Hope this day will bring you an extra share of all that makes you happiest. Happy birthday, Avika. Wishes from your crazy Rosidian, Teja.
Teja, मैं हूँ marketer.
Listen, she sent you that M&M. Don't do that. I'm sure that's Teja without the mark, right? Am I right, Teja? Okay. All right. Happy birthday. Okay, happy 18th birthday, Avika. You are an amazing person and actress, and we all love you. Hope you have an amazing birthday. Hope we can see our Rosit soon.
Rosit.
Many wishes from
Anona.
Anona, Tama,
Subra.
Shuvra from Sweden / Bangladesh.
Love you.
Love you guys. Hey Avika, happy 18th birthday. Many congratulations. Keep doing what you are best. And many hugs and love for me. Love from me. Love you lots.
Halima Mula. Love you.
Many happy returns of the day, Avika. May God bless you and fill your every dreams you have. Make
Dream is to eat M&M's and पूरा fulfill हो रहा है मतलब भर के.
you fulfilled all your dreams. Make your fans always proud. Enjoy your birthday. Good luck. Aishwarya. Aishwarya, आपके पास इनके लिए कोई राय हो तो बोलना.
क्या बड़ा बोल बच्चन दिया.
Next one is from Nisha with a double A. Hi Avika Gaur. A very happy birthday to you. Stay happy and keep smiling. You are a rock star. We love you lots. May you have success in all the tasks you do. What's the latest task you're doing?
I'm learning singing.
Wow. So all the best for that. Okay. Once again, a very happy birthday. We Rosidans will always love you and support you. Nisha.
Love you, Nisha.
June is said to be the month of talented ones, and it became true when you took birth in the month of June. Wow. Any comments on that?
Cute.
So cute.
nice.
Okay. God had a plan in creating you. Wow. When He created you, He blessed the world with a very special Barbie doll like you. May God bless you with all the warmth, care. May your birthday bring lots of happiness and fun into your world. A smile on your face can be felt on one's other's heart. So always keep smiling and make your loved ones also smile with your presence. Gratian, if you're pronouncing a name right. Gratian. Okay. So you no answer to this. Make her smile. So always keep smiling and make your loved ones. Gratian, smile right now. Gratian, this is for you. Okay. With your presence. With lots of wishes and prayers for your bright future. Happy birthday, my dear baby doll. Love you lots. लड़की गाना सीख रही है. Oh God. Okay. Oh no. What's happening? She's going. She's gone. Farewell, teenager. Avika, beep. And hello, Avika, the new adult. You made it. Finally made it. You're 18. So now what? What's the difference? What's changed? Well, despite the dramatic beginning, we sure hope nothing has changed. We love our Avika the way she is, and we are sure a change in age does not equal to change in Avika. Avika, you're a superb person, and we love you for who you are. Your sweet smile, your caring nature, your craziness in a good way, of course. And the millions of other traits that you possess. Honest to God, there's so many we can't fit them. Make you perfect. So stay exactly the way you are, whether you are 18 or 80. Keep the little kid alive. You want to say something to that?
Dialogues लग रहे हैं मुझे. This is exactly what he keeps telling me. Love you.
Because that's very important. Very, very important. I just hope that the kid is born again inside her. Okay, this is getting serious, isn't it? Yes, it just got serious. But the thing is, it is your birthday. So go live it up. Eat some cake or a lot of it. That makes more sense. Cake is yummy. I'm sure. Open gifts, go shopping. Party with friends, spend time with your family, do whatever you want to do, as long as it's legal. I wonder what your age is. See, being in this age is amazing. You are an adult. You are also still small. You are still a kid. So you can act the way you want to. You can do adult things. But you can still continue acting like a kid. Don't act like a kid, just be a kid. That's more important. And no one will say anything to you, hopefully. Kya?
Don't say anything to me, I'm a kid. चलो.
Okay. And no one will say anything to you. Hopefully, don't quote us on that. It's basically kind of like a fresh start. Change things about yourself that you want to change. है क्या ऐसा कुछ? And keep the things you want to keep the same. है क्या ऐसा कुछ? You have a fresh slate. We really wish from the bottom of our hearts that you get whatever you wish for on this birthday, and on the many more to come. Any special wishes? You don't know? Birthday wishes before the cake cutting. Very, very important. They're fulfilled.
सबसे पहले the cake they have sent is a Shinchan cake, and it is really special for me because I love Shinchan ka cartoon, and maybe that's the reason I have given him this name also, because this really means a lot to me. So I just one wish which I have is that Rosid, Aviman and Shinchan Mitzi they
Stay forever and ever and ever.
We wish you achieve success in whatever you do, whether it's TV shows, dancing, photography, or the big Bollywood movies.
It's coming.
That we are sure you're going to be a part of very soon. Can't wait. You really deserve the best in life, and we hope God will give you all you want and much, much more. May God keep you smiling all the time. You have no idea how many faces your happiness brings a smile to. Thank you for everything you do for us and everything that you dream of, plan on doing for us. The Abhiman movie.
I just.
You guys are antaryamis. We really appreciate your efforts to make your fans happy. That's our duty and our desire. And that's what makes us love you all the more. Smile and live it up. And finally, happy birthday. Anila, Australia. Aisha, UK. Arzu, Canada. Preeti, Canada. Thank you so much on her behalf.
This is lovely. Thank
This is
you
really amazing.
So much.
We have wishes from all over the world.
Oh my god.
And the wishes get over. And we really wish they go on and on because it was really, really sweet.
So beautiful.
It is for her, but
So
I felt them. They were
beautiful.
so amazing. And let me tell you one more thing. We just went in for a shot and we came back, and this girl started crying there, seeing this and all the messages. She's really touched. She's probably not. Show there, show there, show there, show there, show there. ये देखो, गौर से देखिए इस औरत को. 18 साल की हो गई है और ऐसे बच्चों जैसे रोती है क्योंकि इसके फैंस इसे बहुत सारा प्यार करते हैं. लो.
Stop it.
आंसू. तुम इतना जो मुस्कुरा रहे हो. Express yourself. It's okay. Come on. Tell them what you feel.
I don't know. This is
You
special.
don't know. Tell them what you were saying. So they need to know because it's really touched you. So why not?
I was not excited for my birthday this time. I was very, very upset and sad. And I feel so satisfied. I feel happy. Thank you so much.
You made her year. Normally it's birthday and birth week for her. You made the entire birth year for her. So it's amazing. Thank you so much.
हम जल्द ही लौटेंगे आपके ऐसे पसंदीदा गिफ्ट सेगमेंट के साथ. बस आप जुड़े रहिए india-forums.com के साथ. कैमरामैन मंगेश के साथ नेहा सावंत, इंडिया फोरम्स, मुंबई.
Hi, I'm Avika Gaur. Keep watching India Forums and also do subscribe to WhatsApp TV.